Howdy, this is Hunter with Crypto 101. Today we're going to be talking about trading silver on Coinbase. Now, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment for more content like this. If you're only trading crypto on Coinbase, you're missing out on some other type of instruments such as commodities. And today I'm going to show you how to trade silver's futures, which are a CFTC regulated product within Coinbase. Now, to be able to trade silver futures, you must have a Coinbase account, either USD or USDC within your account, and futures enabled. The screen you see here is the home page of Coinbase. Now, for us to get to the trading terminal where we can trade silvers, we're going to go to the bottom left where it says advanced, and we're going to toggle this on. Boom. From here, you'll see your standard trading terminal with trading view charting integration, your order book over here, the ability to change different time frames. But what we're most interested in is we're looking for our silver contracts. And that being said, that is going to be a derivative product. So we're going to go over to the left here, click on derivatives. Here we are in the derivatives tab. Now for us to go search for the instrument, we can come up here to the top left, click on the drop down arrow, and we'll get every single thing that we can look up for in Coinbase: commodities, FX, indices, stocks, perps, futures. Now what we're interested in right now is actually the futures contract for silver. But I want to make one caveat here. If I click on perps and I type in silver and I click on the silver perp, if you are in the US, you will notice this is a view-only market. This is the international derivatives market for Coinbase. And because of the US jurisdiction, you would actually not be able to trade the perpetual futures. So now we're going to look for the actual contract that we want to trade by clicking up here, clicking on futures. You'll see silver right here, but if you want to search for it, type in silver. And the first contract here is what we're interested in, one that has volume and open interest. And you can also add it to your watch list. Click on here. Upon arriving to the silver's futures contract, we have our normal trading terminal. Up at the top, we have a bunch of different descriptive terms. You'll see the contract name silver futures. If you click on this I, you will get a bunch of trading details about silver futures. Now, the important part and where leverage comes into play regarding the futures contract is that each contract represents 50 troy ounces of silver. Okay, so now as silver is $72, you do 50 times $72, it comes to about $3,600. So one contract allows you to control around $3,600 worth of silver. You can also see the max position limit, minimum tick value, trading hours. Now, this is important because it trades throughout the week, much like in the traditional finance world, where futures close at about 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, and then they reopen on Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as well as they are cash settled. So you won't take delivery of silver if the contract expires when you're holding it. Up here, you'll see the last price, how much it's up or down over the last 24 hours, the open interest, volume over the last 24 hours, and when this contract will expire. So once this date comes about, this contract, because it's not a perpetual futures contract, will actually roll over into a new contract. And then once again, we have the contract size. This is the Coinbase Derivatives Exchange, is where it's trading at. And then our 24-hour high and our 24-hour low. Let's gear our eyes over to the order book here. Okay, so we can determine the margin requirements to trade silver. Now, if I type in one right here, like one contract, you will see how the notional value changes to what I described a bit earlier, where it's 50 times 72 comes about 3,600. Your margin requirement is not based off of your account balance. It is based off of the notional value. Okay. So if you have leverage of 11.1x, is what it has right here. Okay. Well, that is going to be 1 divided by 11 times this 3,600, which means you are going to have at least $330 or so in margin to be able to purchase one contract of silver's futures. So if I change the contracts up to 2, you'll notice how margin requirement essentially doubles, right? Up to 3, margin require doubles. But all of that is a function of this notional value divided by this leverage multiple. That'll give you your margin required. Now, another important thing to take note of is the fee. Okay, so you can see fees are 0.095% for maker orders and 0.1% for taker orders. So they're relative the same, but That is something to take note of because on a $1,000 position, you'll be paying about $11. So if you're trying to buy at the market, in other words, you're just trying to take the best offer or bid off of the order book and you will just accept that price, you can just go ahead and press market, type it in. It'll say buy now right here for you, and you can just click buy. You can also make sure that you have a take profit and stop loss set up. So your take profit will be whatever you want to sell it at. Your stop loss is wherever you believe you want to get out of the position if it goes your opposite way. You can change it just nominally, or you can change it by, okay, I want to get out 5% ahead and maybe 2% below. We can do the same thing on limit, going over here to limit. Now we can look at the chart. We can say, hey, I want to buy at 71.85. So you come in here, type in 71.85, type in the amount of contracts you'd like. You can determine how long you want your order to stay out there. So if you do good till canceled, well, that's just whenever you cancel the order, it will go away. You can do good till date, which would mean, hey, maybe we want to just do it until tomorrow. You can do immediate or cancel. That assumes that it'll fill it pretty much right away on limit. And then fill or kill is actually just a market order. All right, so right here, you'll also have your take profit and stop loss, just like we showed in the markets tab, where you can change it nominally, or you can change it from a percentage basis, and then all of your details regarding your purchase. And so once you press buy, the orders will come up here on the trading terminal. Before trading silver futures contracts, if you've been largely trading crypto on Coinbase, I'm not a CPA or a tax professional, so reach out to one if you have any questions, but there likely will be different tax implications trading a silver futures contract versus a crypto. So that is trading silver on Coinbase through their Coinbase derivatives exchange. This is how you can get exposure to commodities without being in the traditional market world, but still using crypto as the backbone. That's silver in all of its glory. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment for more content like this.